Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we will cover how to hide files and folders in Windows 11. For example, I will create a new document text file. Now to hide this file, simply right click on properties, and simply from here you have two options, read only and hidden. If you click on hidden, then apply, you will hide your file, and if you click on advanced, you have more options to compress and encrypt your file. But for this video, let's stick with the option to hide the file. Now click on apply, then click on OK. As you can see, the file is not showing up anymore in the desktop. Now in order to see the file again, all you have to do is to open File Explorer. From File Explorer you can access options. From here you can click on view, and from here you can select show hidden files, folders and drivers. Now you can click on apply, then click on OK. As you can see, the file is visible again. If you are looking for a software that you can use to hide, encrypt your files, you can use Wise Folder Hider. This is a free software. There is a paid version, but the free version is more than enough. You can use it without any limitations. When you first open Wise Folder Hider, you have two tabs, a hide file and encrypt file. For example, I'll select a hide file, and you can select any file from your computer to hide it. And of course, you can also hide a folder from your computer. And if you click on any one of these options, you have the option to open the file, unhide, to make it visible again, and you also have the option to set a password. This way you can encrypt the file, so anyone who tries to open the file will need the password. And the final option is to hide a USB drive. You can select a USB drive from your computer and hide it with this program. And the second option is encrypt. You can create and encrypt a file or folder in your computer. Now if you wanna get the paid version of Wise Folder Hider, you can check this website where you will find free licenses for paid programs for free legally, and you will usually find a free license for Wise Folder Hider. And for more websites to download paid software for free legally, you can check my video on how to get paid programs for free. And if you're concerned about your privacy and security on Windows 11, you can check my video about Windows 11 privacy settings on how to make Windows more private and secure. And in the privacy and security section on this channel, you will find more privacy and security related tutorials. In the end, I hope that you find this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, bye.